My dear students, good morning. Children, we are discussing lesson number 15, Disaster and Rescue. In our previous session, we discussed few problems or events given on page number 114. Now today we will discuss few more such problems. So come on the same page. We will discuss about the earthquake. So children, you know that it is the natural one, so it is a disaster. Now what were the problem? So because of it there may be loss of man, animals, life and property. What can be safety measures? So for this we can identify potential hazards in our home and begin to fix them. We can create a disaster preparedness plan. Prepare disaster supply kits. So whenever we need, we can use it at the same time. Then identify your building's potential weakness and begin to fix them. Protecting yourself during earthquake. Shaking, drop, cover and hold on. It means if you have any a strong table or bed, then you can take shelter under that place. So this is called drop, cover and hold method. You can see in the picture very clearly. If it is not possible to move from the house, then you can use this method. After the earthquake, check for injuries and damage. When safe, continue to follow your disaster preparedness plan. Children, you can see in this image how badly the road has damaged. Now come to the next event. Children, can you identify this image shows which event? You are right. This is the image of the disaster tsunami. Now what were the problems? So the people and animals living on seashore are being pulled into the sea by waves. Water destroys the seashore completely. So what can be safety measures we can take? So we can take help of army and swimmers to save humans and animals' life. Now children, next event or next problematic event I have taken cracker. If any cracker gets exploded in your hand. So during the Diwali festival or any other occasion, when you are bursting the crackers in your hand or by mistake, if it got burst in your hand, then what you should do? So children, first of all you should be very careful while you are bursting the crackers. You are not supposed to hold the cracker in your hand and burn. Do not light by keeping the face above the flower pots. Do not hold on hand during or after lightning. And you are not supposed to wear synthetic clothes when you are burning the crackers. Even avoid loose clothes while enjoying fireworks. Light the fuse with lengthy lighted sparklers with expanded arm and get away immediately. Elders should accompany while children playing with crackers. Children, even if after taking the precaution, if such incidences happen, then we should go to hospital and we should take the proper treatment. Now the next event is the roids break out. So in such condition, children, during the roids, people of both the groups, they get hurt. So we should take the injured people immediately to the hospital and have administration to control the situation. Now the next is the problematic event. It shows the image of a thunderstorm. It is a disaster, and the explosion of firecrackers in the hand is an accident. Even the roids, we cannot categorize it in the natural one. Now during the storm, it has the potential to harm lives and property. Heavy rain or snow causing flooding or road impassability, lightning and wildfire. So what can be done? So you have to stay inside during thunderstorm. Avoid water during a thunderstorm. Lightning can travel through plumbing. Avoid electronic equipment of all types. Lightning can travel through electrical systems and radio and television reception systems. Avoid corded phones. Avoid concrete floors and walls. Now children, we have discussed enough problems, or we have discussed many disasters and accidents. So page number 115, where again we are supposed to discuss and write about the same kind of events. So page number 115 you are supposed to do yourself. Now come to the next one. If anybody falls down from a tree, stairs or terrace, so in this case body part may get hurt, or it may get scratched or fractured. So if the person is if the person has got hurt badly, then we are supposed to take to the hospital, and if the injury is minor, then even we can treat the person at our home. So children, I hope that you must be now clear about disaster and accidents. For this session, this much only. Okay, thank you children.